In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage accounts payable in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, understanding this process can significantly streamline your accounting tasks and keep your finances organized. First, it's crucial to have the right permissions. Before you do anything, make sure you have been granted access by the merchant to their QuickBooks Online account. You'll need an invitation as either an accountant or a standard user. This access level is necessary because it ensures that you have all the rights needed to view and manage financial data appropriately, keeping everything secure and within the intended scope of authority. Once you have the necessary permissions, it's time to log in. Head over to QuickBooksIntuit.com and sign in using your user credentials. This step brings you into the QuickBooks environment where you can begin managing the finances. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, but it's always helpful to ensure you're in the right account before proceeding further. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Expenses section. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Expenses, then navigate to the Vendors tab. This area displays a list of all suppliers and vendors with whom you currently do business. It's a central hub for vendor interactions where you can review all related transactions. To dive deeper into accounts payable, go to the Reports section from the left menu. This area is incredibly helpful for generating insights into your business's financial health. In the search bar, type Accounts Payable Aging Summary or Accounts Payable Aging Detail, and then select the report that best fits your needs. These reports will list out all outstanding bills that you owe to vendors, complete with due dates. This information is essential for managing cash flow and ensuring you meet all payment deadlines. If you need specific information, customizing the report is a great option. Click on the Customize button, which allows you to tweak the date range, columns, and apply any necessary filters such as sorting by vendor, date, or status. Tailoring the report can provide a clearer picture of your current liabilities and help you prioritize payments effectively. Once you are satisfied with the report layout and details, you might want to keep a copy for reference. Look for the export icon at the top right. From here, choose between exporting your data to Excel or PDF. Alternatively, if you prefer having a hard copy, use the print option. This flexibility ensures that you have the data in your desired format for record keeping or sharing with colleagues. Finally, to review specific transactions, head back to Expenses and click on Bills. This section provides a more granular view of individual bills and payments. Clicking on each bill reveals further details such as due dates, amounts, and payment history, allowing you to manage your bills efficiently. By following these steps, you can expertly manage your accounts payable within QuickBooks Online. This process ensures your business runs smoothly and your financial obligations are up to date and organized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.